Hi, today we are going to make these cute earrings. These are very simple and I've even made a little video to show the structure. And these earrings are very popular, especially these ones, these little ones. They are quick to make and I'll show you how I have built them. Then you can replicate this design and do whatever with it. But this is a basic unit. So this is what I'm going to build. And these are some earrings I built already. You can see these in upcoming or previous videos. So I'll turn them off. I'll turn my 2x2 inch guide and illustrator guide. This pink box is a 2x2 inch area where I confine all my designs. So in real life they are ready for the customer. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to choose an ellipse from this area and hold shift and alt, and with mouse I'm going to drag and make an ellipse. Make it a little bit bigger like this, or a little smaller. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to manipulate this design. I'm going to align this to the center of the artboard. I'm going to do it very simply. I'm just going to select it, hold alt, and with the mouse I'm going to drag. Now this is going to make it a copy and put it right in the middle, right in front of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and this. I'm going to use Ctrl C and Ctrl F, copy and paste in front, and I'm going to use this and hold shift and rotate. When you do this in Illustrator, it rotates everything with the increment of 45-degree angle. And I'm again going to copy this unit, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and hold shift, rotate. Now I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, hold shift and rotate. Now you see, this is a very quick way of building some shape. What I'm going to now look at this shape. This has a hole in the middle, and it is, now we are going to make it a complete earring. First of all, so these are all separate shapes, we can see that. I'm simply going to take an ellipse, go in the middle, hold shift and alt, and create an ellipse. Here you go, the shape is complete. Things are not joined together or fused, they are separate, but this shape is ready to go. I'm just going to choose this ellipse, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and reduce the size of it like this, and change the color. Why I'm doing this? To make these holes. I want to show you how I make these holes right where I want them. So first of all, I'm going to lock this, Ctrl to lock, or you can go to your working layer and lock, select this and lock it. Now this is right in the middle. I'm sorry, this we are going to select these blue circles, every one of them, and Ctrl to lock all of them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this again. I'm going to hit alt and bring this down a little bit. Now this is right in front of, these two are in the back, so I'll just bring them to the front by dragging it in the layer menu. Now I'm just going to check the alignment for a second and then repeat the same steps which I repeated for these larger circles. So again, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, paste right in front, and when I will move them, it will move it right where it moved the first circle with the increment of 45 degrees. And I Ctrl C, Ctrl F again, and Ctrl C and Ctrl F again, hold with the mouse and rotate. Now I'm going to select all of these, object, expand, and unite from the pathfinder. So you see, this is a one group and this is united. And now I'm going to unlock every layer and lock this group, yellow group. I'm going to select everything and object, expand, unite. So this shape is now one shape, and I have these circles which are on top of this shape. So very simply, but first we are going to make the hole for the jump ring. So let's see this pink so I'm going to select ellipse and then click once, and this dialog will appear where I will put my dimensions, 0.11, 0.10 maybe, 0.10. Okay, now you see this jump ring hole will go here. Now there is a little bit conflict that this is near to this jump ring hole. I will align everything together, and what I'm going to do, as these yellow circles are a group, these are a group, what I'm going to do, and this is expanded and united, when I will reduce it, it will move it away, but it won't destroy the integrity of this design. So this is done, everything is now in the center, we are ready to go. So first of all, we will study this shape. So this is a path, and this group consists of paths, and then we have a jump ring hole right here. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to select these yellow ellipses and this basic shape, and I'm going to object, I'm just going to go to Pathfinder, and you can go to Pathfinder by going to Window, Pathfinder. My Pathfinder is always here, and I'm going to choose minus front. So here you go. So these holes are made, and now I'm going to choose jump ring hole and select the shape, and I'm going to again use minus front. So this A-ring is complete. Now how to make this hole, very simple. I'm just going to use an ellipse again, change the color so you can see, and remove the guides so you can see the design. Here you go. And I can make this a little bit bigger. We have ample material in this design, and I'm going to align it to the center and align it right in the middle of this design. Even I can make it a little bit bigger, like that. Align, select both of those, minus front, and this design is done. Now this is a very fancy design, it took a lot of work, but people usually like a simple shape which do not have these holes. So what I'm going to do, you can just select direct selection tool, and if you want to remove a cutout from a vector, you can just select them and hit delete from your keyboard, it will make it disappear. Here you go. Or there's another option, now you can see these are gone. I can choose blob brush to patch these things. Go to brush, and there is blob brush. Blob brush just patches everything. So you can see this design is done, there are no points in the middle, and here you go. These are you just made by using simple techniques, 2 different type of earrings which you can sell, and with the practice you can make more variety. Our flower earring are done, and I have made this presentation, you can see, and you can find this file on my Creative Fabrica store for free. So here you go, these earrings are available for free. The link to this page will be in the description. Please join us on Wednesdays and Thursdays when we post new videos. Thank you.